Television or transistor radio, which one came first? Television. Compact disc or VHS tape, which one came first? VHS tapes. How about smartphone and digital camera? Digital camera came first. Steam locomotive or automobiles? Steam locomotive. Microwave oven or toaster? Toaster. World Wide Web or email, which one came first? Email came first. Pencil or printing press? Surprisingly, it is printing press. Light bulb or telephone? Telephone came first. GPS or compass? Compass came first. Airplane or hot air balloon? Hot air balloon were there before the aircraft. Calculator, I am talking about the mechanical or abacus. Abacus came first. Cash register or shopping cart? Cash register. Vacuum cleaner or washing machine? Vacuum cleaner came first. Typewriter or word processor? Typewriter. Sewing machine or spinning wheel? Spinning wheel. How about these two? Phonograph or record player? Phonograph was there before the record player. Barometer or thermometer? Thermometer. Telescope or microscope? Microscope. Post-it note or sticky tape? Sticky tape. MRI machine or X-ray machine? Just 4 more left. X-ray machine. Spaceship or rocket, which one came first? This one is obvious that the rocket came first. Personal computers or mainframe computer? Mainframe computer. Dishwasher or refrigerator? Dishwasher. Self-driving cars or combustion engine cars? Combustion engine cars.